My name is Sergio Mayo. I work at Innova, which is a technology center in Zaragoza, Spain. And I am a computer engineer, and my main subject is business intelligence, artificial intelligence and big data. And I work there as a project manager for different projects, private and public funded. Yes, actually the way that designers work, which is quite new for me. I usually use many techniques from designers, but not from the very beginning of the project. So the way they face the project is quite new for me, and I'm learning a lot. Well, actually to define the final products and the services we are going to provide to the users, it was a really critical challenge for me, because there are many partners involved in that, and I wasn't sure how to manage that and how to deal with these different expectations of the partners. Actually, the way that designers face the problems is very good for me, because normally engineers think about boundaries and restrictions and so on, and afterwards we think about a very tiny maybe product or service, and designers face the problem on the other side. They think about the best product or service possible, and then afterwards working they realize on boundaries or constraints and so on, but I think it's much better way to face a problem. I don't know, but maybe we should have thought about the final designers, the final products at the very beginning, without counting on final users or without co-creating with them. And for sure there would be really good products, but who knows if somebody wants to use them. To agree on a speech and to agree on the terms of how to face the problems, it is really challenging, and not mainly the tools and the way they work in every day, but the way they speak and the way they treat the co-creation people and so on. I think it is the path. I think that creators should delegate responsibility on consumers, and consumers should take this responsibility to design and to define what they really want. So it is kind of balance on creators and consumers. So I think that co-create is the way to face this challenge. Yes, it is. I mean, I still have expectations, but I'm pretty sure that in the remaining time that we have for creating services, they will be fulfilled, yeah. I would like to work with designers in every project that I take in my next steps. And if I don't have the chance, for sure I will change my mind in the definition and the design of product and services, not thinking only on the boundaries or the constraints, but on the best final product or service. And afterwards, if we find constraints or boundaries, we will face it but with another way of working. Yeah. It's been really great. I think I'm learning a lot about how to, not only how to co-create or to involve the users, but the way they face the project and the way they manage the people working all together, the speech they use with engineers, users and so on. And I'm learning a lot. It's been a pleasure.